Sarura Kids.
How do you say I love you in Shona? Today, we're going to learn how to say I love you. We're also going to listen to an example conversation of a daddy telling a mummy that he loves her on Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day to all of you from all of us here at Sarura Kids. We can't wait to have fun with you here on Valentine's Day and every day of the year. So, if you like what we're about, please hit the subscribe, like, and share buttons so we can stay in touch. I love you. Ndinokuda. Ndinokuda. I love you with all my heart. Ndinokuda nemoyo wangu wese. Ndinokuda nemoyo wangu wese. And now for an example conversation. Good morning, my love. Mangwanani mudiwa wangu. Good morning. Mangwanani. Did you sleep well? Warara sei. Yes, I slept well, thank you. And yourself? Ndarara, warara sei. I slept well, thank you. I brought you some flowers. Ndarara. Ndakunzira maruva. Happy Valentine's Day. I love you with all my heart. Ndinokuda nemoyo wangu wese. Oh, thank you, honey. They're beautiful. Oh, waita kumudiwa. Akazonaka. Not nearly as beautiful as you are. Hakukunde kunaka. I have to go to work. Ndakumboenda kubasa. I'll see you later tonight. Ndozokuona nhasi manheru. Yes, see you tonight. Hongu, ndokuona nhasi manheru. Now, we'll repeat that conversation in real time in Shona. Mangwanani mdiwa wangu. Mangwanani. Warara sei. Ndarara warara sei. Ndarara. Ndakunzira maruva. Happy Valentines. Ndinokuda nemoyo wangu wese. Oh, waita kumdiwa. Akazonaka. Hakukunde kunaka. Ndakumboenda kubasa. Ndozokuona nhasi manheru. Hongu, ndokuona nhasi manheru. We would like to wish you a happy Valentine's Day with all your loved ones from all of us here at Sarura Kids. Happy Valentine's Day.